Want to reduce distractions on your Samsung Galaxy? In this guide, I'll show you two quick and easy ways to turn on Do Not Disturb in just a few taps. Method 1. Turn on Do Not Disturb through Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down and tap Notifications, then select Do Not Disturb. You'll see a switch at the top of the screen. Tap the switch to turn the feature on immediately. Once enabled, you can personalize how Do Not Disturb works. Under the Allowed during Do Not Disturb section, choose which calls, messages, conversations, or app notifications are still allowed. For example, you can permit calls from favorite contacts, allow alarms to sound, or keep emergency alerts active. You can also create a schedule so Do Not Disturb turns on automatically during bedtime, work hours, or recurring meetings without needing to enable it manually each time. Method 2. Use the Quick Settings panel. If you want a faster method, swipe down from the top of the screen with two fingers to open the Quick Settings panel. Find the Do Not Disturb icon and tap it. When the icon lights up, the feature is active. If the icon isn't visible, swipe to the next page of Quick Settings. Still can't find it? Tap the plus or P's or pencil P edit icon and add Do Not Disturb to your Quick Settings tiles. This makes it much easier to access in the future. Both methods work equally well, so you can use whichever is more convenient. The Settings menu is ideal for customizing exceptions and schedules, while Quick Settings provides instant access whenever you need a distraction-free environment. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.